Hello guys, welcome back to iCare for you. So in this video I want to show you how to use telescope lens 18H with my Huawei 30 Pro here. And now I will let you see how to use it. So now I have to import the two of lens into my phone lens first. You have to make sure which one is the main or camera. For my Huawei 30 Pro, the main of cameras began from 1H until 5H optical zoom. So I decided to use with the main lens because that's give me the good qualities of pictures and photos that I want to take. Although you can use the telescope lens with other device like Android or iOS device, but you have to make sure which one is the main lens of the camera. When you use this lens with the main lens of the camera, it will give you the good qualities of photos and video that you want to take. And I use this lens. Okay, you can see the subject that I want to capture is very too far from it, but I want to capture. Yeah. I will do like this. You can use the bottom outline, and then you can go to 1H up to 5H on my Huawei 30 Pro, yes, and then you can zoom, I zoom it, you can zoom, it very clearly, and you can full background, you can full background on the video or photo that you want, you can see, I will take some picture and video for you, from my Huawei 30 Pro with the phone lens, the lens telescope, you will see, I can zoom, I can zoom in, I can zoom in until 5 on my main lens, on my Huawei 30 Pro, you can zoom too far from it, now I will let you see on the video. It's very nice. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you are already subscribed my channel for more new updates. See you in the next video.